Recently purchased a Samsung SensorCook microwave, and I just today bought some Farm Rich mozzarella sticks that were on sale. And it says here on the back, microwaving not recommended. Well, on my microwave here, it claims under the snacks that it can cook frozen cheese sticks. So, we're gonna try it out and see how good it actually does. So let's see here. Snacks. Number 2. And start. Alright, here we go. See how good these turn out. Claims it's going to take 4 minutes. Well, I guess while we wait, we could there we go. Some marinara here. Put that in one of these. Don't need a whole lot. That'll work. Still got 3 minutes left. Back in the fridge we go. And we'll wash it down. Coke Zero, not a sponsor. Still got a little ways to go here. Well, I smell it. Oh, it's leaking. They're leaking. Alright, well, we're gonna have to stop that. Because they're gonna explode all over the place. Alright, well, let's give it a try. Oh. Like shit.